Hey guys, my name is Maria Labasimo and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a network and an affiliate marketer, so I'm here to help network marketers, affiliate marketers, and entrepreneurs. A few years back I got started in network marketing and I decided to add affiliate marketing. So many years ago I found myself suddenly a single parent, and through that transition in my life, that's when I really realized what owning your time meant and how valuable time really was. So through that process, that's when I decided to venture out into network marketing. So on this channel, you're going to find a variety of things. You're going to find things related to network marketing, affiliate marketing. You're going to find social media tutorials. You're going to find some random tips and some strategies on here. And you're also going to find some information on wonderful products that I absolutely love. So because my channel consists of a variety of things, I have created a playlist section for you and have made it very easy for you to sort through. So depending on what you're looking for, please go to the playlist section and then just grab the folder from there with the different videos in it. If you have any questions for me, please reach out to me on Facebook, or you can email me at my email address below. Thank you for stopping by. I really do appreciate your support. I hope you find lots of value in the videos.